there is opportunity, the number is lower than this one, it means this market of pound into the New Zealand dollars, this market is overvalued, right? Can we find out the arbitrage? Yes. With how many? 10,000? Let's have a whiteboard. So you understand this conversion? Oh, what happened? Okay, here we go. Do you understand this conversion? Bid and ask. Everyone, group 1, 2, 3. Guys.
Yes, yes.
Please participate, okay? So that I understand.
Okay.
I know that I am not talking to myself.
No worries.
Whiteboard. Let's talk about this. So we find out that, okay, there is an opportunity and we want to exploit this. So let's talk about this. How many dollars we have? We have $10,000. And what we have to do? We have to convert this into pound, right? And if we want to convert into pound, what rate should we talk about that? So I want you to open the question, right? Because I cannot, because I'm using this whiteboard. Otherwise, this whiteboard will be gone. So here we go. So we have $10,000. All we have to do, we want to buy British pound. So which rate gonna be given to us? Bid rate or ask rate?
Ask.
Ask.
Why is that? Because bid and ask is dealer's perspective. We are going to the bank, National Bank, and we say, look, we need pound, and they will give us which rate? 1.62, right? Because they want to sell pound and we want to buy pound. So this is the rate of pound, right? But they will be exchanging with dollars, right? So many students confuse that, okay, pound also are available in New Zealand dollar, like third ask New Zealand dollar. We can convert it, right? But we have dollars and we need to convert our dollars into pounds. So we will be exploiting, or we will be given the rate ask 1.62. So we have $10,000. So 10,000 divided by 1.62, that would be leaving us in pound. How much? Let me just 10,000 divided by 1.62. Answer would be 6172.84 pounds, right? And now what we have? We have pounds. So next step is convert that pound into New Zealand dollars. So pound into New Zealand dollars. Okay, now, so we want to buy New Zealand dollar or we want to sell New Zealand dollar?
Buy.
Buy.
Buy. Wait a second. Okay, convert your New Zealand pound into, convert your pound into New Zealand dollars. All you have to do, you have to convert your pound into New Zealand dollars, right? What you don't have right now is New Zealand dollar. So you would be selling your pound and converting your pound into New Zealand dollars, right? So selling your pound gonna give you how much? Right? The trick is, this is you own that. So that's why you buy pound, right? And now you have the pound, now you sell pound. The trick is that either you are buying this New Zealand dollars, but profit making strategies, you are exploiting it. So you don't have, you will be selling your pounds. 2.95, right? 2.95. So convert your pound into dollars. 2.95. This 2.95 is New Zealand dollars.
18,000.
18209.
Yes.
2.95, right? Answer would be, you multiply this and you would be finding out 18209.88, and that is, now convert your NZ into dollar, right? What is your target? To convert this into US dollar. So you have NZ, now you want to sell your NZ, New Zealand dollars, into US dollar. So when you sell it, you will be given which rate?
Bid.
Let me change the color here. There we go. 0.55 dollar over NZ, right? So all you have to do, you just need to multiply it with 0.55. And answer would be, understand? Right? So how much profit you make? This is your investment. This is your total. Answer will be 15. Right? If your answer is $15.43, you are in good shape. Right? Why there is pin drop silence here? David, understand? Sipide, understand?
Yes, we did it right.
Jackie, Leo, Laura, Nicola, Camila,
Yes, sir.
Carolina, Chloe.
Pretty clear.
Sir,
Yes, I understand.
Yep, got it.
Yes.
sir, I'm really sorry. Could you please explain it one last time?
Okay. I'm going to be explaining here. So you find out the cross exchange rate, right? If the cross exchange rate is lower number, like 2.90, 2.8, this is bid, this is ask. And I'm not going to, repeat that one, because always, whether the bid prices give you the higher number, but that would be ask. Why? Because
Yeah,
prices always greater than bid. Right?
I understand this. I don't understand the pattern.
I'm going over there. So what you have to do, so this rate that we just found out, that which is under, so that is pound. So the strategy is, you have dollars, convert first into pound and then New Zealand dollar. So you have $10,000, right? So there you are starting it with nothing, right? So you create a demand for pound. I need to buy pound, right?
Yes,
Because you own it,
yes,
right? So you would be giving, because you want to buy, you will be given ask rate.
yes.
You find out the pound. I forgot the values here, so just writing down this.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just only the pattern. Like what?
And when you get the pound, right? Now convert those pound into New Zealand dollars. How you can convert it? You
by
your pound to buy NZ dollar.
Yes.
OMG. Yes. Because my pen stopped working, now it's working again. Good.
So it's still like the same. We
Now there's a
divide.
trick, buddy. There's a trick. When there's a bid and ask prices are given, then you start from ask price, and then this will be given you bid price. Remember, the trick is we are using ask price and we are using bid price for the next process. So you need to follow the concept. If there is no bid and ask given, then it's really simple for you. But when bid and ask given, then use your logic. Now you have pounds to convert into New Zealand dollar. Which rate you will be choosing that? Bid or ask. When you want to sell your pound and your pound is going to be sold in terms of
Then
New
it's
Zealand
bid
dollar, it's bid. Now
because
you
they
have
buy it. Yeah.
NZ dollar. Now you have NZ dollar. You want to sell your NZ dollar to buy dollars. So when you sell your NZ dollar, you will be given this rate. Sorry. Yes, this rate. Right?
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
you will be getting okay.
Yes.
So when bid ask is, pay very close attention to whether you want to buy your holdings or you want to sell your holdings. Okay, well done.
Thank you, sir.
I didn't expect that much, but you guys really did very well. Well done, guys. Okay, now we are starting chapter number 9, which is forecasting